In order for students to select their exploratory classes for the fall 2021 school year, you're going to be receiving a Google form in your school district email. The form is going to look something like this. There's one for 6th, one for 7th, and one for 8th. I'll be using the 7th grade model as a description and to show you what to do, but they're basically all the same. When you get your email and you open up the form, you'll see this information here. You're going to get your core classes already, and then you'll be selecting your exploratory classes. In order to do that, you're going to type in your last name, your first name. You'll notice that with the asterisk, that's required. A number to reach you in case we have questions, your male or female, and then your student ID number, your 8-digit student ID. After you do that, click on Next. And the first thing you're going to come to is your all-year selection. This is true for 6th, 7th, and 8th. In 7th grade, you get one full year selection. So no more than one class on this page. We're offering Arabic, French, Spanish, and advanced robotics. So you can choose one of those. If you do that, or if you don't do that, you click on Next. If you selected 0 full year classes, you can select 4 electives. Just 4 electives. 2 of your electives are going to be required, computers and health. So you'll have 4 choices if you take 0 full year classes. 1 full year class, you'll get exactly 1 elective class from the list of 12-week courses below. Again, if you're interested in what these classes are, go to the Crestwood School District site, go to Riverside, and check out the course descriptions, and you can see what each course entails. So you go through, pick these according to how many year-long classes you chose, 1 or 0. In 6th grade, if you chose band, it's the only year-long class, then you have no other electives. So if you're in band, that's your elective for the year. If you didn't, then you choose 3 electives. For 8th grade, you can choose 2 electives. There's more elective choices for the 8th grade. If you choose 2 electives for 8th grade, then you're done. If you choose 1 or 0, you can choose either 3 or 6 electives from the 12-week courses. Again, go to the Crestwood website and look at the curriculum course catalog to see what all of these classes are about. When you're done, click on Submit. If you don't click on Submit, your choices will not get recorded. So make sure you do that when you're all done. If you have any questions about the classes or about what the requirements are, and you're not sure what you had or what's required as a prerequisite for other classes, you can always contact your counselor and they can clarify things for you. So good luck, and we will see you in the fall.